malaki siya. Ganyan. Meron siyang side pocket. Wala siyang side pocket. Yeah, may side pocket siya. 2 sides. Both side. Ayan. Both side. Side pocket. And sling still, the zipper still in good shape. And inside part, meron na siyang little bit of sign of usage. And the edge part is like this, look. And the other side is look like this. Kaya lang, meron na siya ditong konting yan. Meron na siya dyan close. This is rank B already. Yan. And the price is 98,000 yen, madam. 43,120. 43,000 mananakawan ang nanay ko niya.